So guys, I am back. I hope I am audible. Yes, people are joining in. Yes, Sakshi, Vijay Chandra, welcome to the session. I hope I am audible to all both of you. Yes. Yes, guys, am I audible? Please just type.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sakshi, Vijay, Sakshi, are you there? Just type.
Yes, sir.
Okay, may I know from which place you are, Sakshi?
Sir, Mohali Chandigarh.
Okay, and Vijay Chandra, are you there? Yes, Vijay Chandra, are you there? You may speak or even type. So guys, I hope all of you have started preparing for CAT or planning to prepare for CAT. So quantitative ability is one of the three sections and one of the most scoring section these days. So we are talking about the strategy to crack 2022. So and we'll see how to handle quantitative section in actual CAT, right? So before starting, let us take a broad view. Quantitative aptitude is the last section of CAT exam. So I hope you know there are three papers. One is verbal, one is DI, and one is quantitative. So verbal is taking care of first part. So earlier, before last Corona, there was 1 hour 1 hour paper. I hope all of you know. So 3 hour paper were there earlier. So now it was used to 2 hours because there are. So there are around 3 sections. So 40 minutes. So 2 hours paper is there. First section is verbal. So there you have to read RCs and a lot of stuff. Second is DI, that is one of the most challenging and it practically drains you out. And last is the quantitative. So जब तक quantitative paper आता है काफी लोग थक चुके होते हैं, but you have to have the, you can say, the sense of awareness that that paper has to be scoring, and you should have a stamina till then. So that can be achieved with the mocks. I hope mocks plays very important role in everyone's success. So if you had attempted around 15 to 20 mocks, so you will be aware about each and every variety of the paper that you may encounter. अगर मैं बात करूं तो हर मॉक में आपको एक ना सी मॉक हाउ मॉक्स आर मेड. सो मॉक्स आर मेड to make you comfortable in any type of paper. So in mock you will get a paper in which all sections are difficult. मॉक में आपको वो पेपर भी मिलेंगे जिसमें क्वांट इजी होगा, डीए टफ होगा, वर्बल इजी होगा, बहुत मॉडरेट, 3 moderates, 2 moderates, 1 tough, 2 tough, 1 moderate. You will get every permutation combination in mock, and when you will be giving the actual CAT, you will be practically giving one of the mocks. I hope my message is clear. So this is the strategy. Strategically, first you have to the important topics you should know: geometry, mensuration, algebra, profit loss ratio, time speed distance average, number system, functions, time and work, and permutation combination probability. These are the major areas. If we talk about algebra will be playing around 30% of the paper. Rest 30 to 40% is your profit loss ratio, TISD, average, and 2 to 3 question of geometry, mensuration. And rest 1 to question of permutation probability. So you should know what are your strengths and what are your weakness. So first I will talk about what to do. We are talking about strategy, and then we'll see how few of the questions can be prepared. See, you can't make strong building on weak foundations. Your foundations should be very, very strong, right guys? So foundations आपकी बहुत strong होनी चाहिए. तो फाउंडेशन स्ट्रांग होने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको टेबल, स्क्वायर, क्यूब, स्पेशल नंबर्स, सी आपके टेबल स्ट्रांग होने चाहिए. जब मैं टेबल्स की बात करूं, 12 से 19 तक के टेबल शुड बी एट योर फिंगर टिप्स. इफ आई राइट, व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट tables, 9, 7, 8, 5, 4 string method, 19, 4, 76, 95, 95, 98, 150, 97, 130, 99, 171, 89, 160, 87, 120, 18, 144, 85, 90, 84, 72. This should be in your subconscious. If I'm talking on phone and you ask me 18, 8, I will say 144. तो ये आपके फिंगर से जिस कंपटीशन के लिए आप एस्पायर कर रहे हो, स्टेक्स आर वेरी हाई. तो दूसरों को बीट करने के लिए आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा स्किल्स होनी ही चाहिए. सिमिलरली इज द स्क्वेयर्स. You should know squares from 11 to 35. They are very handy. And normally people know the squares. If I may I check, what is 12 square?
144.
144.
144.
What is 14 square?
284.
14, 14.
256.
It is 196. 16 square.
196.
Right. What is 19 square? It's 361. See, these are the special numbers. ये इसका पेपर में आपके बहुत यूज होगा. हर नंबर की एक पहचान है, तो जितने ज्यादा नंबर्स में कंफर्टेबल होंगे उतना मैथ्स आपका अच्छा होगा. The more you are comfortable at numbers, better you will be your mathematics. For example, if I write 1728, what is peculiar about this number? Can anyone tell?
And the 1728 and number is
That is 12
Raman number.
That is 12 cube. Right. What is 729? What is special about it? It is 9 cube 27 square. What is 4096? This is a very special number. Can anyone tell me? This is the only 4-digit number which is a perfect square as well as perfect cube. It's 64 square, 16 cube. Right? I hope you understand what is a perfect square or perfect cube. If you take under root of it, it will become 64. If you take cube root of it, it will become 16. Right, guys? So these are the basic numbers. So for that, you should know tables, square, cubes, tables from 12 to 19, squares from 11 to 35, and cubes at least till 15. These are the basic requisite to crack CAT. Now, strategically, you should revise that. First do the concept, then revise the test concepts. First of all, you should be do very gradually. First, you should do chapter-wise tests. This is a 7-month strategy. Then you should do sectional test. Sectional test will be a mixture of the topics. Then you should do start taking full-length test and taking mocks. Please don't miss any of the mocks, right? And even taking mocks, preparing for mocks is not sufficient. Analysis of the paper is very important, right? So these are not your school college paper where the percentage matter. Here percentile matter. I hope you know the difference between percentage and percentile. Percentile is if you are 99 percentile means you are among 1% of people. So that may be possible by even scoring 30% of the paper, or by 40% or by 60%, depending on the difficulty level of the paper. I hope you understand this thing, and will be more clearer when you will appearing for the mocks. So strategically, so if I say within 2 to 2.5 months, your syllabus should be complete, followed by then test and followed by analysis. And by, if I say by August, September, you should be aware about your strengths and weaknesses, right? You should know which area you are good at and what are your challenging areas. You should work on that, then attending workshop, and you should have your notes intact for the final D-Day. And before the paper, that is, we'll be covering some other workshops, what to do today or 2 days before the paper. And now it's I won't say it's very ample, it's a very long time, but still it's ample time to prepare CAT, right? So strategically, first you should cover the syllabus, then revise the concept, then start taking paper, test, chapter-wise test. Suppose we have finished doing number system, then do chapter-wise test of the number system. We have number of tests available online in your account when you join Bullseye, then sectional tests, then full-length test. So mock tests are very important to gauge one's preparation and to understand the things strategically, right? I hope till now everything is clear. So before, let us have a look at how to handle the question in real-time pressure. Right? What are the strategies that we should understand with the help of paper questions? Here come the first question. Yeah, this is typical CAT question. A lot of you might have done it earlier also in some of the papers or in tests. So he asked B how many, let the number be X. The moment you write X, आप equation इसको solve करना शुरू कर सकते हैं. 2 minutes to solve it. Yes, guys. He asked B how many students are there in Is maths class? Well, be replied 3 by 4 of them are less than 22 years old, 2 by 3 are less than 21 years old, 12 are not yet 20 years old, and there are twice as many between the ages of 20 and 21 as there are between the age of 21 and 22. How many students are there in this class? Yes. Anyone? Yes. If I say the time over, you will be surprised how quick it could be done. It could have been done by now, till now, by the approach. Right. So how to handle the first math approach is, instead of finding the answer, you should see what could be the answer. I repeat, instead of finding the answer, you should see what could be the answer. May I know, can number of students be in points or in fractions? Yes or no? क्या number of student points में हो सकते हैं? Yes guys? Negative हो सकते हैं? No. So question is asking about 3 by 4 of them, right? So इससे क्या साबित हुआ? Answer should be multiple of 4. Yes or no, guys? So which option can we rule out? Yes, hurry up. I'm seeking
18.
30.
30 and 18. Two options are ruled out.
18.
Right, guys? And now second 2 by, it is asked about 2 by 3 of them. So answer should be multiple of 3 also. Now what else can be ruled out? Or किस option को करें?
16.
Only option left is 24. I hope the message of approach is clear. So first and the foremost approach is, instead of finding the answer, you should see what could be the answer. I hope the message is clear. तो options आपको help out करेंगे, and और ये approach अगर develop होनी हुई तो first 200 क्वेश्चन में भी बन जाएगी, अगर नहीं बननी हुई तो 10,000 क्वेश्चन कर लोगे तो भी नहीं बनेगी. That's why people keep on writing CAT year and again, but उनका score improve नहीं होता because they are not able to change the line of thought. I hope the meaning of approach is clear to you. Right? Is it okay? So this we say plug and play, and believe me, 1/3 of the questions that are required to cut off can be handled in this way. Is this clear? Should I repeat, or is it okay how we handled it? Yes, guys. Yes, Vijay. Yes, Pallavi. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, Somagni. Is it okay? Right, guys. Should I repeat, or is this clear?
Clear,
Please.
sir.
Right. Okay. Thank you. So would you like to do one more question of this type? So let
Yes,
me.
sir.
Okay. So I'm giving you one more question. So where you have to make use of options, I'm giving you the hint. Here come the next question. There are 4 consecutive odd natural numbers. The product of first 3 is 9177. Last 3 is 12075. What is the sum of these 4 numbers? Yes, guys. Hurry up. If I say you have 4 options with you. First into second into third is 9177. Second into third into fourth is 12075. What is the sum of these 4 numbers? Yes, guys. Yes. See, you should have your eyes and ear open. You can do it back. Any guess? Options are there. Yes, and this is a question I will say less than 10 seconds.
1.
Sir, 88.
88, great. It's 88. How come 88?
Sir, because the sum of every odd number is even, and in these options, 88 is the only even number.
Every odd number is even.
No, sir, the sum of two odd number is even number.
Great.
Just
Good.
like 3 and 7.
That's what I am seeking. Great. So odd plus odd is even. Very good. Actually, odd plus odd is even. Odd plus odd is even, and even plus even is even. So sum of four odd number has to be even number. Yes, guys, is it okay? Even plus even is even. You can, if you are not sure, you can take numbers 3, 5, 7, 9. 3 plus 5, 8. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. So sum of four odd number has to be even number, and only even option is 88. Just clear? Had there been even two options, then we could have done it also. We could have found the numbers also, right? How come? See, if I write 3, 5, 7, 9, these are the four odd numbers consecutive. May I know what should be its average? Yes, please be interactive. 4 number के average निकाल सकते हैं आप. Divide by 4 कर सकते हैं. What should be the average of these four numbers? Hurry up.
6.
6. Yes, 24 by 4. You can say the average is always between if they are equal distance number, the average is always between midpoint of second and third number. Is this clear? If I talk in reverse, if the average is 6, if I have to find the numbers, then it will be 5, 7 and 3, 9. Is it okay? 6 के आसपास ही होंगे, right? So if average is 88, sum is 88, so average has to be 22. So even we can find the number. They are 21, 23, 19 and 25. Is it okay? तो इन तीन को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यूनिट डिजिट 7 आ रहा है, 3 1 3 एंड लास्ट 3 का यूनिट डिजिट 5 आ रहा है. अगर कोई और ऑप्शन है मे बी उसमें नहीं होगा, और यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई, राइट? इवन यू कैन फाइंड द नंबर्स. इज इट ओके गाइस? हाँ जी, समझ आ रहा है सबको? So first and the foremost approach is, instead of finding the answer, you should see what could be the answer. This is a part of strategy. When you are preparing, you should seek these type of methods. I hope this is clear, very much clear to all of you. So are you finding it interesting? Yes or no, guys? You can even write in your chat box. You have, because if everyone is speaking, there is some disturbance. So I'm making you on mute. If you wish to speak, you may just take the permission, and I will unmute you. Yes. Okay, Palvi, now it's convenient. So guys, are you finding it interesting? Yes or no? Right. Thank you, Sumagni. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So let us see one more question. So my intent is, when you are there, you should, you are spending some time, you should have some value addition from the session. So let us do one more question. This is CAT 2021 question, recent question. Give it a try. If you have a certain idea of the permutation, then you can solve it. I am giving you a very recent question. A 4-digit number is found by using the only digits 1, 2, 3, such that the both 2 and 3 pair at least once. But the number of all such 4-digit numbers, कितने number बनेंगे? Given you 2-3 minutes. May I give you the hint how to start? Start taking 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 should be there. Now take every possible combination of 1, 2, 3, taking 2 at a time, or even one can be repeated. Yes. I hope you are trying, guys. Yes or no? सब लोग ट्राई कर रहे हो? So I am giving a chance you to unmute. You may now speak. There are few people left. No worries. May I help you out? Or still trying? Any guess if you have got any idea? Okay, मैं आपको बताता हूँ पल्लवी कैसे सॉल्व करना है. See, 2 and 3 appear at least once. Okay, done. Now 2 and 3 are coming once. Let us make the cases. This is actual CAT. Next two digits could be 1 2 or 1 3 or 2 3, or it could be 1 1. It could be 2 3 2 2. It could be 3 3. These are the cases. Now you have these have to be shuffled. I hope you know Mississippi. It has to be first case is 4 factorial by 2 factorial, that is 12. Second is 4 factorial by 2 factorial, that is 12. Third case is 4 factorial, though 2 times repeated hai, 3 2 times repeated hai, that is 6. Next one is 4 factorial by 2 factorial, that is 6. Sorry, that is 12. And one case is 2 triple 3 and triple 2 this, and these will be 4 cases and one more 4. So 12 3 the 36, 642 and 446 and 450 cases are there. Yes, Palvi, any query you may ask? If you are not clear how to do this factorial, I may even explain that. Yes, Palvi, are you there? Yes, Sumagini, yes. Do you have any idea? So this is latest question, yes. You may speak, you may ask. Yes, Nilambri has joined just now. Yes, Nilambri, am I audible? Yes, Nilambri, am I audible? You may write in your chat box. Am I audible, Nilambri? You just joined. Yes, Nilambri Pathak, are you there? Okay, so we are discussing the strategy. Strategically, we discussed how to prepare. Now we are having a first-hand view of the actual paper questions, how to handle those. Would you like to ask something in it, Pallavi? Yes.
I'm still not clear with this question.
You're clear with this question? Thank you.
I'm still not clear.
You're not still, Sumagni, clear. Okay. Do you have any idea of the Sumagni about the permutation?
So I'm a non-math student. Whatever I've studied, it's mostly for first and second year from college. So
Okay.
I have a little knowledge about this.
No problem. Just be on hold. If I say if you have to arrange double A triple B, in how many ways it can be arranged? You check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 alphabets. Yes or no? So
Yes.
just write 5 factorial. I hope you know the meaning of factorial.
Yes, sir.
It is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In denominator, whatever is written how many times? A is written twice, so divided by 2 factorial. B is written 3 times, divided by 3 factorial. So these will be the total arrangements of double A triple B. Means A, B, A, B, A, or A, B, 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 A, whatever it is. These are the total arrangements of double A triple B. We say it as Mississippi, right? So now question says a 4-digit number is such that it is found by using only digits 1, 2, and 3. Number is 4 digit. और इसमें आपको यूज सिर्फ ओनली 1, 2 and 3 ही करना है, such that both 2 and 3 appear at least once. So I make them appear at least once, making first, let us say 2 and 3 taking at least once. Is this clear till now?
Yes, sir.
And remaining 2 places, I can take any of the digit 1, 2, 3 any number of times. any at 2 times or 1 times, or even 0 time. Now I have to fill the another places 1, 2, 3. If I say I take both different, so I can fill them as 1, 2. They may interchange. That will be taken care of by when you are taking factorial form. Is this okay? So we take 1 from here, we take 3 from here. That is 1, 3. Now another combination is 2, 3. Is this okay? Now we may repeat them. You may take the remaining 2 places can be filled by double 1 because first condition is fulfilled. 2 and 3 are taken at least once. Now remaining 2 positions can be filled double 2, and remaining 2 position can be fulfilled double 3. Now arrangement of these has to be done. Now you can see these are the 4-digit 1, 2, 3, 4 as I did in double A triple B. Yes, so again, is this okay? So what I should write here? 4 factorial upon 2 is repeated, divide by 2 factorial. So 4 factorial is 24 by 2, that is 12. It's okay now? Now here these are the 4 digits. So we write 4 factorial and 2 3s are there. So divide by 2 factorial. That is 12. Now here there are 4 digits, write 4 factorial, but 2 is also repeated, 3 is also repeated. So divide by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. That is 24 by 4, 6. Now here 4 digits, 4 factorial by 2 factorial because 1 is repeated, that is 12. Now here there are 4 digits. So may I know by which number I should divide it? By which factorial, yes, Agni?
3 factorial.
Yeah, absolutely, because 2 is 3 times. I hope you are getting it now. Similarly, here 4 factorial upon 3 factorial, this is 4. So 12, 3 the 36 and 6, 42 and 4, 46 and 4, 50 thus. So in CAT, even permutation combination, if you have not done, you are not done maths after 10th class, but questions are very simple. You just know how to make the cases. Is this clear? Right? Okay, anyone have any doubt till now? So I hope you should like to do one more questions. So before that, I give you my features of the course we are offering. This is CAT 22 online course. 200 plus hours of live concept and doubt classes. 160 full length test. 210 concept videos. 10,000 plus question based on type of question expected in CAT. So the way we are taking class, so 200 hours of live concept and doubt classes are there. And please understand, you have 2 parallel batches rounding on different modules. So if you wish to finish your complete course in 2 months, you can join parallel 2 batches. Obviously, a fees will be of 1 batch. Big Boot Ki Pathshala, we are adding 20 plus sessions that are free of cost with CAT toppers, IIM top college alumni. These, believe me, these are of great use. Personal attention to ensure best result for each students. Right, guys? So we have 2 batches for you. One is MWF batch, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Basically, it's a 6-day teaching, 3 days classes and 3-day doubt session. Classes are from 1.5 hour session. That is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. 1 class will be of quant, 1 is DA, 1 is overall. And every alternate, you have the doubt of the previous class. You can handle, you can take, right? Second batch is reverse, that is TTS. That is for the people who can't join in the evening, have 9 to 10:30, the convenient time for them. Those who are working or have some another engagements of tuitions and etc. And they have MWF Monday, Wednesday, Friday. At the same time, they have the doubt session from 9 to 10 every alternate days. I hope this is clear, guys. But if you wish to join weekend batch, we have 2 options for we have options for you: 12 to 1 doubt class. 2 classes are on Saturday, that is 3:30 to 5 and 5:15 to 6:45. And Sunday, the 2 classes, 12 to 1:30 and 2 to 3:30. Obviously, there you have 3 classes there and 2 doubt session. That's the number of classes and doubt session are same. Is okay, guys? Any query till now? I hope I'm audible. Yes, Palvi, Sumagni, Vijay Chandra, please acknowledge. We'll be continuing after this. Yes, guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so any query till now? And the about fee structure, actual price is 59,999 plus GST is 18%. Now early bird offer is 22,499, very reasonable. EMI option is also available. And for any query regarding admission, you have given two numbers, that is 8427. You can take a screenshot or even may write 1707 1800 5727 345. And this is the link to reach our course. What we are offering, what is the content, what are the samples, how videos are to be operated, how many videos, everything is there in this link. Any query? So this is very reasonable fee option, right? So I hope you have noted it down. Please at least note down the phone numbers. Yes, guys, is this clear? So I repeat, we have two batches. One is a weekday batch. Weekday we have two options. You can join in the evening, 5:15 to 6:45, 3 days a week, and 3 days a week. At the same time, you have a doubt session. So there will be covering the doubts. And similarly, you can take 9 to 10:30 batch, that is Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday batch. And corresponding to that, there are 3 doubt session. I hope this is clear, guys. And this is weekend about. And these are the fee structure. Please acknowledge if you are clear about everything so that we will proceed further with the questions. Yes, guys, it's okay. Have you read it? Noted down any query? You may child. Okay. Thank you, Smagni. Thank you, Nilamri. Yeah. Yes, Palvi, is this clear? Yes, Vijay, is it okay? Okay, thank you, guys. So let us move to the questions. Okay. Please note down this number, so it will be helpful. So do this question. An increase in 30% in the price of apples enables a man to buy 6 kg less for rupees 300. What is the increase by per kg? Very straight and direct question. You may encounter sometimes very direct questions. 30% in the price of apples enables a man. After this, we'll be doing a wonderful question that is of ratios and algebra. 30% the price increase in price of apples enables a man to buy 6 kg less for rupees 300. It means whatever he was buying in 300, he is now only able to buy 6 kg less than whatever he was buying. But the reason for that is the increase in price. May I help you out? Or are you trying? Let me know. Just write in a chat box or may speak if you wish to have any hint. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute more. 2 minutes more. Let us take. Yes, guys, I hope enough time is given. I should explain it now. Okay. May you know what is 30% of 300?
90, sir.
90. Great. So whatever he was buying, let us say he was buying this much of box, right? So due to price increase, either he has to drop out 6 kg apples, yes or no? Why?
Yes, sir.
Because the price is increased by 90 rupees. Can I say if he had 90 rupees more, he can buy 6 kg apple? So can I say the cost of 6 kg apple now is 90 rupees? So 1 kg is 690 by 6.
15 rupees.
Yeah, great. So डायरेक्ट प्राइस टू प्राइस हम मूव करेंगे. 300 का 30% 90 होता है, तो ऐसे 90 रुपीज इंक्रीज होने की वजह से वो 6 kg एप्पल कम ले पा रहा है. इन शॉर्ट, इफ ही 90 रुपीज मोर, ही कैन बाय 6 kg एप्पल्स. So in short, the new price of 6 kg apple is 90 and 1 kg is 15. Is this okay? Yes, all of you. Yes, Vijay, is this clear? You may write. Thank you. Yes, Magni and Palvi, I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I hope you are getting the idea how to handle question directly. Questions are not very difficult. The approach is required. Right. Okay. I give you one more question. Yeah. Do this. MKLJ bought a motorbike for rupees $60. M paid half of the sum paid by all other three. K paid 1/3 of the sum paid by all other boys, and L paid 1/4 of the sum paid by all other boys. How much did J have to pay? Yes, hurry up. So there are 4 variables and 4 equations. I make the equations and will let you understand how to solve it. M plus K plus L plus J 60. M paid half of the sum all by all other boys means 1/2 of KLJ. K paid 1/3 of all other, so 1/3 of M plus L plus J. And L is 1/4 of all others, so 1/4 of M plus K plus J. Is this clear, guys? So 4 variables, 4 equations. Read the question again and try to solve it. Take your time. It will take 3-4 more minutes to understand the question. Yes, guys. Given you 2 minutes to handle. No worries. Yes, may I help you out? It should give you hint. Any hint required? Or are you trying? Just let me know. I hope you are there, guys. Yes. Yes, Vijay, Palvi, Sumagni, I hope all of you are trying. Yes, may I give you the hint so that you may be able to solve it, or you are very near to the answer? Okay, I give you the hint, Palvi. Take 2 here. So can I say 2m will be k plus l plus j? So in place of k plus l plus j, can you write 2m? Yes or no? So 2m for k plus l plus j, 1m already there. So 3m comes out to be 60. So m comes out to be 20. Similarly, take 3 here. So it will be 3k m plus l plus j. So m plus l plus j के place पर you can write 3k. 1k is already there. I hope you are getting my point. Yes or no? Please acknowledge. Yes, Palvi.
Yes,
Yes. Idea लग रहा है, समझ आया क्या करना है? Yes, Samagini, is it okay? Please reach to the answer. I've given you enough hint. Then I will give you another shortcut in which you can directly solve the questions. This is very important. One of the favorite logic of CAT people. Yes, I hope you are near to the answer now. 3k will be mlj. 1 mlj की जगह main equation में 3k रख दो. एक k already है. Similarly, 4l is mkj. So mkj की place में first equation में 4l लिख दो. 1l already there है. तो आपके पास m, k एंड l का वैल्यू आ जाएगा. टोटल 60 में से माइनस करेंगे तो j का वैल्यू आ जाएगा. फिर हम एक इसको ऐसे विल लर्न द मेथड बाय व्हिच इवन यू डोंट नीड टू राइट द क्वेश्चन. वी कैन डू इट ओरली आल्सो. Yes, any answer? Hurry up, 1 more minute.
So can we take all those, let us say that the other boys, the rest of them have paid X, and then we can go with 60 equal to X plus X by 2, X equal to 40 for M. Just like that, we can go for K, L, and J, taking X.
But you cannot take all them X ना. उनको सबको X नहीं ले सकते. वो they will be different because amount will be different from each and everyone. Sum of KLJ will be not equal to sum of MLJ. Right? So I repeat, I let you know how to handle it both ways. One of the way is M plus K plus L plus J is 60. Right? M is half of K plus L plus J, rest all 3. So I may write 2M is equal to K plus L plus J. Is it okay? If I take 2 here, so in place of K plus L plus J, can I write 2M? And 1M is already there. So when 3M is equal to 60, so share of M is 20. I hope is this okay? Similarly, K is 1/3 of sum of amount paid by all other boys.
So then we can get the answer, sir. It is 13.
Answer is 13.
Yes, I'm getting that.
Yeah, yes, there are some maybe calculation mistake. K is M plus L, 1/3 of M plus L plus J. So I may write 3K is M plus L plus J. So in MKLJ, M plus L plus J is 3K and 1K is already there. So 4K is 60. So K comes out to be 15. Similarly, L is 1/4 of.
So L is coming as 12.
L will come as 12. So when I add these three, it comes out to be 47. So out of 60, 47 is the share of these three. So remaining will J will be having share of 60 minus 47, that is 30. I hope this is clear now. Yes. Yes, rest all of you. Yes, Vijay. Vijay Chandra, I hope you are there. Yes, Magni, I hope you have done it now by with me. Yes, Palvi, is this
Yes.
clear? Yes. Now listen carefully. There is one method of a ratio in which even you don't try to write the equation, you can do it already. Now listen carefully. उसका तरीका मैं सिखाता हूँ. M is half of K plus L plus J. So what we did, we took 2 here. So instead of taking 2 here, can I write M upon K plus L plus J? Can I take K plus L plus J here? So can I write it as 1 by 2? Yes or no? Smagni, whatever
Yes.
you are talking, we are on that lines now. You are right,
Yes.
but we are proceeding in that way. Is this okay, guys? Yes, Pallavi, is it okay? Yes, Vijay? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So can I write it as M is to K plus L plus J is 1:2? There are 4 people. If total is 1 plus 2, 3, I am sure that share of M, K, L and J is 2. But how this is distributed, I am not sure. But I am damn sure if total is 3, M is definitely 1 out of that. So M का और बाकियों का रेशो 1:2 इंश्योर करता है कि M is 1/3 of total. Yes or no? Isn't it? Should I repeat it?
Yes, sir. Once more.
I said M is half of K plus L plus J. Now listen carefully. If I take this K plus L plus J in denominator, it become M upon K plus L plus J is 1 by 2. Is this okay? This is like in ratio M is to K plus L plus J is 1:2. It means total if 1 plus 2, 3 है, तो उसमें से M का share 1 है. So can I directly say, क्योंकि total 4 people are there, M is half of K plus L plus J, directly ensure is M is 1/3 of total. And total is 60, so 1/3 of 60 is 20. Isn't it? Similarly,
Yes.
K की और rest की ratio, K is 1/3 of rest all. So can I say K upon rest has a ratio 1:3? Means if total is 4, K is 1/4 of total. 1/4 of 60 is 15. Similarly, L is 1 by 4 of rest all other 3 directly ensures कि L is 1/5 of the total. अब अगर ये क्वेश्चन आता है, आप सीधा देखेंगे टोटल 60 है. M paid half of the sum paid by all other means M and rest have a ratio 1:2. आपका माइंड सीधा काम करेगा. M is 1/3 of total and 1/3 of 60 is 20. K paid 1/3 of the sum paid by rest of the boy means K and rest have a ratio 1:3. So directly ensures that K is 1/4 of the total. 1/4 of 60 is 15. And similarly, L and rest have a ratio of 1:4. L is 1/4 of the rest means L and rest and people have a ratio 1:4 means if total is 5, L have a share of 1. So L is 1/5 of the total and 1/5 of the 60 is 15. When you add this become 47 and remaining share is of J. So guys, I hope you have got some idea. It's not important how much you are doing, how you are doing is more important. So it needs some guidance to help you out and we are here to help you out. We have a lot of shortcuts, lot of logical ways of handling the question and lot of material to help you out. So we have, as I said, we have 2 options for the batches. You may join weekday or weekend. Anything you wish to ask, you are open to ask. I am here to help you out. Yes, guys. Yes, Palvi. Yes, apart from the coaching, yes, anything rest you wish to ask? Yes, Palvi. Yes, Vijay. Yes, Smagni. I hope you have got some idea. Yes, what's your opinion about the session? Got to learn something? Yes, yes, guys. I hope you are there. What's your
Yes, sir.
right? So guys, all the best. कुछ और पूछना चाहते हैं आप प्रिपरेशन के रिगार्डिंग, स्ट्रेटेजी के रिगार्डिंग? Wish to ask anything? Is this okay? Any apart from the coaching, apart from good? Thank you, Palvi. Thanks for acknowledgement. Or right, guys. So I have told you about the even course. If you wish to join, we have 2 options, weekday and weekend. So thank you, guys, and I wish you all the best for your CAT exam. Bye bye. Happy learning. Good night. Thank you.